All right, everyone, it's been a little while, but we're gonna do more straw bale stuff today. So, what have I done? Well, I've got these 4x4 boards down across here, exterior, interior, about 14 inches across. We're gonna be standing up the bales on the thin side, so we're only gonna have 14-inch walls with the bales, and then maybe 3 inches on either side, or a couple inches on either side for the mud. I'm not sure exactly how much. Check this out. So I wasn't quite sure how to put my strap down because I want to strap down the bales because I'm doing a load bearing bale structure. So I'm going to put the strap through here. It's going to go through here. I just cut a 1.5-inch PVC and just stuck it right there. On the inside here, I need to fill this with rock. Rock's cheap, so I just ended up buying some of this rock, some crushed 3/4 inch number 67 rock, whatever that means. And that's just gonna go right inside here. So I'm gonna do some of that today. I calculated it's gonna be like 0.68 tons worth of rock that need to go inside here. I bought 0.6 or 1,100 pounds around there of rock. And if that doesn't completely fill this little trench, I'll just use some of my extra rock that I've pulled from over here. I've probably got a foot or a foot and a half of rock over here. So that's going to be my rock base. It's going to go right along here, and then I'm going to put the straw bale right on top of it. And then we're going to do the mud, and we're going to do all that. I need to make the headers, or whatever they're called, and I need to frame. I'm going to put a window over here, and I'm going to put a door over here. That's the plan. All right, well, you know, nothing too crazy, but I'll see you around. Bye.